For more than 5 decades, Designers Prints has had the privilege of serving generations of customers who have trusted us with their fabric needs. Since the 1970s, our journey has been made possible because of the unwavering support, loyalty, and encouragement of wonderful people who have chosen our textiles to bring their creative ideas to life. Every purchase, every recommendation, and every finished garment has become a part of our story. From the bottom of our hearts, we sincerely thank each and every one of you for being a part of our journey. We would also like to express a heartfelt gratitude to one special customer, Ma'am Tet Tanhuatco. We are honored that she continues to support Designers Prints and showcases the beauty and versatility of our fabrics. In these photos, you will see Ma'am Tet Tanhuatco looking absolutely elegant and stylish while wearing outfits made from our stitched cotton, and tweed fabrics. Her creations perfectly demonstrate how quality textiles can be transformed into timeless and fashionable pieces. Let's begin with our stitched cotton. Stitched cotton is a textured cotton fabric featuring beautifully stitched or quilted patterns that add depth and character to the material. It combines the natural comfort and breathability of cotton with an attractive, sophisticated finish. The fabric is perfect for creating stylish tops, shorts, skirts, dresses, jackets, matching sets, and even children's clothing. It is comfortable enough for everyday wear while still offering a polished and fashionable appearance. Next in the photo is cotton. Cotton is one of the most loved fabrics in the world because of its softness, breathability, and durability. It feels gentle on the skin, making it ideal for our tropical climate. Cotton is easy to wear, easy to care for, and incredibly versatile. It can be made into comfortable blouses, shirts, dresses, shorts, pants, skirts, pajamas, and casual everyday outfits. Whether you're dressing up or keeping it simple, cotton remains a timeless choice that never goes out of style. Finally, you can see in this photo, we have our tweed fabric. Tweed is known for its rich texture, durability, and classic elegance. Traditionally associated with sophisticated fashion, tweed has become a favorite for modern clothing because it adds structure and refinement to any outfit. It is commonly used to create jackets, blazers, skirts, dresses, shorts, matching coordinates, and stylish tops. Tweed instantly elevates any look, making it suitable for both casual chic and formal occasions. What makes these photos even more inspiring is how Mam Tet Tanhuatco transformed our stitched cotton, and tweed fabrics into beautiful shorts and tops. The finished outfits are fashionable, comfortable, and effortlessly elegant. She truly proves that with creativity, quality, fabrics can become stunning pieces that reflect your own unique style. So, if you are looking for premium textiles for your next sewing project or fashion creation, we warmly invite you to visit Designers Prints Fabric Store at B5 Second Floor, Shopsville, Green Hills in San Juan City. We look forward to helping you find the perfect fabric for your next masterpiece. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon.